My mom's a pretty simple eater, but when it comes to breakfast, one of her guilty pleasures is Eggs Benedict. So last weekend, she was coming over for brunch, and I figured I would surprise her by making it for her. But instead of making it the normal way, one portion at a time, I turned her favorite into a casserole. Here's what I did. I started by cutting up a pack of English muffins into chunks and putting half of them in a casserole dish. On top of that, I put a layer of Canadian bacon that I cut up and topped that with some shredded Munster cheese. I repeated the layers one more time, finishing it off with the cheese on top. Now for the part that brought this all together, I poured on some beaten eggs that I seasoned and mixed with a little milk, and into the fridge it went. I could have baked it off in an hour, but I thought it would be even better if I let it sit overnight so the eggs could really soak in. After it baked, I drizzled it with a quick throw-together hollandaise sauce and a few chives, and breakfast was served. Let me tell you, my mom was thrilled. I hope you'll go online and give my Eggs Benedict casserole a try so you can impress that someone special. My mom loved that I could spend less time in the kitchen and more time with her. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we came up with a new way for you to share all of the, ooh, it's so good.